Make the most of your next vacation with a Dometic awning. Dometic Rally Stay awnings include the following highlights: single point inflation frame, durable polycotton and polypropylene material, apex ventilation, adjustable multi-height system. Begin by unpacking the awning from the carry bag. If you're attaching onto a cassette awning, you will need to unwind the awning to expose the rail and bring it down to a workable height. Stay awnings are fitted with dual Kadar. Select the correct size circumference for your awning channel. Then insert the Kadar into the rail and pull the awning through. Once the awning is in place, retract the cassette awning into the closed position. Now close off the deflation valves located at the front of the awning. Locate the inflation valve and insert the hand pump. Inflate the awning to between 3 to 4 psi. Once achieved, carefully lift the awning from either end to help take its shape. Continue inflating the awning until you reach 9 psi. Then remove the hand pump and replace the cap. Depending on vehicle height or pitch, you may be required to use the multi-height system. Unzip the internal and external zips on both sides. Zip in all side and front panels of the Rally Stay. This helps the awning stay square when securing with the supplied pegs. Next, secure the two back corners of the awning. Peg the highlighted glow webbing straps approximately 5 cm under the vehicle. Tension the side panels by pulling the glow webbing straps away from the vehicle and fix to the ground. Next, secure the glow triangles located either side of the awning. This ensures the awning is pitched straight. You may need to adjust the pitch of the central air pole. Check the front of the awning is straight, then peg the central air pole in place using the black triangle and applying tension with the webbing strap. Proceed to secure the remaining pegging points using the supplied ladder bands. We recommend cross-pegging between panels and openings to reduce tension and help the zips run smoothly. Secure the awning further by fixing the quick pitch guy lines. Simply tension the lower strap, peg down and pull tight. Finally, clip on the curtains included with the awning. Your Rally Stay awning is now fully set up and ready to use. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.